getting nowhere. Your mouth is filled with dreams, so what went wrong? I may look like Sister Justice, but I guess on my nerves. 'Cause everything that's happened, babe, is everything that's yet to come. If you leave me here today, would you still be here tomorrow? Yesterday is gone and I'm afraid for all the years in life I never not my own. Could you call me up someday and tell me everything's okay? It took a while to understand, figure out the truth. 'Cause all I ever wanted was to get someone new. Now I gladly run down in any direction if that's what it takes to get me back to you. Get me back to you. We'll make it, break it, leave it or take it. Was I ever more than a friend? In a way I've always stayed scared of love, afraid of hate, until we meet again. I gladly run down in any direction, that's what it takes. Begging for your love every day again. And now I'm back and I swear, girl, you'll be back again.